Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. It's springtime guys, and I thought I'd share with you some Easter cards that I created, and this time it is shaped like this. You all have probably seen this type of card on YouTube or on people's blogs because it is a shape that many people seem to like. I hadn't made anything like it before, so I tried my hand at it. So it's a 4-panel card with 3 folds. So sort of a trifold 4-panel Z-shape card. I don't even know what it's officially called. And the papers that I used are Cottontail by We Are Memory Keepers, an older Easter collection. And I combined it with another sheet from some brandless collection. Well, I did every panel of the side of the card that you would watch. So on the other side, I simply matted it with this polka dotted sheet. So these are the panels. I had a cut apart sheet from the Cottontail collection, so all of these cut aparts are from that sheet. Added a lot of flowers, added some enamel dots here. These are Ranger enamel dots, so liquid actually, so you use a little bottle to put them on, let them dry, and there you go. And then here, this is aimed at writing my personal message. So it's a very cute paper, I think. And on the front, I did some die cutting, lots of die cutting actually, so lots of Easter eggs. Here, even a broken one, and popped this little one, popped it up with some dimensional tape and a little feather and some flowers. So there you go. But then I thought, well, why not lengthen it or double it in length and do a second one? So let me put this to the side and show you the second one. So first off, so this is what you see here with the first one, but then there is a second one. So there you go. So it's double the length, and it has 2 sides, so there's no front and no back. Both are equally fine. So let's start off here. So there's a little cut apart again with a ribbon that says Happy Easter in Dutch. And I did it up with a lot of cut parts again, and some die cutting, embellishments, and room to write the message. Then you turn it over, and there you go again. So here is the die cutting with the Easter eggs again, and some decorated pages, and again a room to write a message. So there's extra room to write this message. There's some embossing that I did here. I also did that, let me see here, so it's the same embossing folder. I love that with the flowers here. And then on the back I kept it simple, so simple panels here. Here I did some two kinds of embossing actually. So here is the embossing folder kind that I inked up with some distress ink. I used Scattered Straw by Tim Holtz, the yellow one. And here I did some heat embossing with different colors of embossing powder. These are all distress embossing powders by Tim Holtz, again with the Scattered Straw here, and milled lavender, and I think it's peel paint. So there you go. So the main idea here is to double it in length. So that's the idea that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you like this idea. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.